Hello everybody, welcome back to the Minish Cat. Here, through this door, we could go through here and get a heart. Okay, so we should go back this way. Now, here, we should go down here. Here we will see that we could just do this. And we got 20 rupees. We should go over here and do the same thing. Now, because what happens is that we should do this. Okay, now that works perfectly fine. Okay, we don't have that stupid. We don't have the boss key yet. I just wanted to do that. Okay. So we're gonna go back over here. Oh, you buggers. Oh. Yeah, I hate you too. Just get away from me so I can leave. Okay. Episode 5 uploaded before episode 4 for some reason. I started uploading it yesterday, so it's been kind of slow. But that's pretty bad. So I don't really know what to do. Unless I could just, you know, take down episode 5 and re-upload it. For some odd reason, I don't know why I would do that. What the heck am I doing? Oh, I went the wrong way. Get away from me. Okay. Now we have to go down here and push this over. Remember that door that we uncovered with the cobweb? Okay, so we just want to go right there. There. Now, we want to use our gust to do this. So this is how we're gonna have to travel for a little bit. It's kind of slow, but that doesn't matter. Okay. Ah, dude. Oh, that way. Get away from me. Okay. I accidentally went the wrong way again. Okay, this way. Really? Okay, so we are going to want to lift this and fill it and then go. Okay, we want to push this pod over here, and we're going to go like this. What the heck's happening? Okay, so we are going to continue going this way. Remember the chest that we scat over here so we can get to it. Well, now we can get to it. So we got a key in here. Now, we have to go back this way. So this is something that we have not noticed before because we can access the water. Ow, Pete. Bastard. Okay. Okay, so we insert the small key here. Okay. Now what we do is what the heck? What? Okay, so we want to grab that too. Okay, so we're just going to be continuing this until we go over there. We're gonna open this chest, and we're gonna get the big key to open the big door that we just saw. So we're gonna press this right here, and this is gonna warp us back to the beginning. Now we're gonna go down these steps like we did before. We're gonna do the same thing that I just did. We're gonna do the mushroom thing. Okay, so in these jars, there are hearts. In each of these jars, there are hearts to replenish you for the boss. Remember that thing that was our size before and now it's not? Well, it's right here. And now it attacks us. We're minish size now. Okay. Okay, so you can take out his legs with that to make him top heavy. Okay, so there's hearts in those jars just in case you run out of stuff. Run out of hearts. Don't worry if he falls in because you don't take much damage from him. He's not very hard to take out. He does not do much damage to you either, so it's okay. He's just annoying, because he jumps like a maniac. Now, you just have to sit him on the spot so he lands. I'll show you. See? It's kind of hard to hit him right now because he's jumping like a maniac. Oh. Really? Really cornered me. Okay. What an annoyance. What an annoyance. Here. Here. Right on me. Now, this is where you kill him. Okay. So, that's how you kill him. You get the earth element. Okay, so now I have to take this to the Elder. You get the Earth element. The power of the Earth is the source of all living things. The Earth element is the embodied of that power. This is a full heart piece. You got a heart container. Your life energy is increased and been replenished. Okay, so we got 4 hearts now. This flips us back to the beginning. We've got the Earth element. You must go tell the Elder at once. Okay, so that's the heart container that we have to get right there. I hope you remember that the Elder's house is right here. Yes, we have. You are blessed with much courage and strength for once so young. If your conviction holds strong in you, there you will find a man named Milari. Among all the men there is one. More able to repair your sword if you ask him. He will surely reforge the broken Bakari blade. I shall send word to him in advance. Travel safety, you are brave, but there are so many evils now in the world. Yes, open that curtain for me. Leave through this door here. It will take you out of the forest quickly. Great Elder, we are in your debt. We shall head for Mount Cornell at once. This is where you have to head. Okay, you head out over here. So, I really like to do this. Right here to be lift size again. I'm sick of music right now. Okay, so I just want to explore this forest right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go head back and get that heart piece. Because I really need to get it. Okay, so it's out in the middle of the forest by the shrine. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so you want to do that. Okay, so we're gonna go over here and go get the heart piece. Monsters. You got a piece of heart! Okay, now we need to collect one more. And I honestly don't know which one to get. Because I don't know where most of them are. This is boring. Goodbye for me. Okay, I know how to get that. We